Hey guys, greetings from Norway. We promised to give you a short review how is the life with this navigation tablet from Carpe Iter. But to better explain my style of navigating, I was born earlier when there was no GPS appliances, or I had no money for them when I was younger, so I started navigating with a map, yeah. And I still need to have a paper map with me, even I'm using GPS, Garmin and OpenStreetMaps, yeah, because the paper map gives me always the nice overview, where are the options to go, the direction. And now to this concept. I'm pleasantly surprised because it's kind of substituting the paper map. The first reason, the size of the tablet is big enough, so you can see there a broader area. When you have the remote controller, that you can zoom in, zoom out and swipe, so you can easily browse and select your journey, yeah. Now we are coming to my style of navigation on this. In 5 days I never put there navigate to. I was just always following where I am and zooming out, zooming in, and trying to find some interesting way. Yeah, if I would have only paper map, I would never have the scale, because with this one you can zoom in and find the really tiny roads that takes you to nice places like this. Yeah, this tablet has pretty wide screen, good resolution, and even there is the sun shining, the brightness of the tablet is really good, yeah. So and moreover, we haven't tested it here, but we believe it will be pretty crash proofed, and you are getting it with also the pretty decent holder. Also big benefit is that the charger is incorporated in the holder, so the tablet is being charged all the time you are riding, actually, yeah. So this is what I like about this concept, yeah. You have really good hardware that works on motorbike. You have the remote controller, and then when you get familiar with the locus maps, you can find really nice places and tracks when riding or when navigating, because of zooming in for the details, zooming out for the bigger picture, and this is what I like, yeah.